Tetta's was founded in 1952 by my great-grandfather, Joseph Tetta. So Tetta's is, I always call it a one-stop shop. We got the gas, convenience, grocery items. So we're gonna be more, I want it to be more of a destination, kind of a place where people can come hang out. And we're Italian, so it's just kind of ingrained in us to make good foods, healthy foods, natural ingredient foods. The propane is next to a brick oven. Pizza, it's the second best way to make a pizza. Probably the easiest and efficient way. And we're gonna be adding a lot more equipment that uses the LP. We're gonna bring in a 6-burner range with a grill top so we could, start really developing the menu. We're also gonna be using deep fryers, so you name it, fried chicken, everything. I don't think right now we have anything else that can really compare in terms of efficiency, getting things hot enough, quick enough. That's where the LP is better than the electric. You don't want a $1,000 electric bill. Dropping the utility bills was one of our main objectives, and we've cut it in half. If I asked our head chef, Anthony, to offer this menu with only electric equipment, he'd probably just shake his head because he knows, he grew up in a pizzeria, he knows what you need to get the job done right. People are saying we have the best pizza in Ulster County, and I think you could even stretch it beyond Ulster County. And I'm proud of that. I'm proud that we're offering good food, people liking, the word's getting around.